Hello, good day, guys. My name is Nick, technical analyst with SuperForex. Today, we will be looking at technical analysis on the cryptocurrency Chainlink, and we'll be talking about fundamentals as we have been seeing. And right then after, we'll move down to technicals, which is purely what we'll be seeing on the chart. Now, we have seen that Chainlink's price has increased 4.67% over the past 24 hours to $6.97 over the past week. Link has experienced an uptick of over 12.0%, moving from $6.19 to its current price as it stands. Right now, the coin's all-time high is $52.70, and the chart below compares the price movement and the volatility for Chainlink over the past 24 hours to its price movement over the past week. The gray bands and Bollinger bands, of course, have been measuring the volatility for both the daily and the weekly price movements. And the wider the bands, the larger the gray area at any given moment, of course, as well as the larger the volatility. Now, Chainlink's trading volume has climbed a massive 485.0% over the past week, along with the circulating supply of the chain, which has increased 0.25%. And this brings the circulating supply to 517.10 million, which makes up to an estimated 51.71% of its max supply of 1.0 billion, according to what we're seeing here. And market ranking for Link is 23 at $3.61 per billion. Now, this has been generating a lot of momentum in the market. We saw a very gigantic Marubozu candle breakout of a very important resistance zone at 7.26, and it's headed for top. And on the 4 hours time frame, to have a much clearer view, it's scaled by meters away, about 14 pips away already. And we are hoping that it could get at least the maximum expected 50 to 100 pips at 7.69 to 8.20 thereabout. So if we were to make an entry at this point, confirming from our daily time frame, we should expect at least a move to 7.98, if possible, 8.2, 8.45, where the next resistance point is, which is about 106 pips from that entry point, of course, which is good money. And that's our technical analysis on today's cryptocurrency, Chainlink. Now let's move over to the stock markets. Hello, welcome back, guys. And on today's stock market, we'll be having a look at Twitter. And recently, we have seen that Twitter has been down and about 46% stake so far, because we have been seeing a lot of rough impulse for the commodity. And this happened when recently Twitter accused Meta of stealing ideas for rival app threads. Also, judges refused to post ban on the US agency social media contact, as well as Twitter owing ex-employees about 500 million in severance lawsuit. Now, it had happened that this bit of news had not been taken so well, but surprisingly, it has still been having a little bit of headway to the top. But we are feeling that the most recent news being Twitter accusing Meta of stealing ideas for rival app threads could be a dent in the Twitter commodity, meaning we should be seeing presuming a fall from here at this point, which already signals a bullish trend at the instant impact of this news as we speak. And currently, if when they open up the stock markets, we should be expecting a fall through down to the most recent support at 48.31, which is about 40 pips from that point. And if you were to make an entry of this money, you're looking about for 48 to 114 pips from that entry point, of course, which is good money. So I'm betting on Twitter to go down past the latest support and at least touch back to 40.52. Now, if we were to make an entry, we're looking at about 9,700 and 101.68 pips thereabout from that entry point, which is good money. Now, check it for a confirmation on the daily time frame. Similarly, also the same thing we are seeing, an introduction of a bearish candle signifying a sell, and looking to kick off actually. So we are hoping by the beginning of the stock market by 1 p.m. Nigerian time, we should be having a building of momentum to kickstart this presumed sell trend. And that's our technical analysis on today's stock market Twitter. I remain your host, Nick. Bye for now.